a bone graft I had heard of, I hadn't had before I came to see you. So you did both a sinus lift and bone graft, and they coincide, correct? So
Correct.
I didn't have enough bone, you lifted the sinus and put bone in there? Is that basically what material goes into that?
It's mixture of synthetic bone versus sometimes we take some bone from the patient himself. I don't like to do this because it's very aggressive. So nowadays the technology was able to make good synthetic bone or even some kind of bones that we can do that and build whatever bone, and then when we put it inside, it acts like scaffold where our bone ingrow it and replace it by our natural bone.
So looking at this, because this is after the fact, this is what, almost 2 years afterwards, you're looking at that. How do you know the success of it? So now we're coming up for a follow-up. How do you know how well that bone graft and sinus lift did?
We just see now the boundaries of the bone around the implant. So here is the neck of the implant. So the implant all the way, all around, from two-dimensional view, looks good. And again, two-dimensional view, because sometimes when you see it three-dimensional, it's have a different story. So here I have enough bone all the way to the tip base of the implant and the neck. And then when I go to the other screen here, to even see the implant in a three-dimensional way, like this picture says, I can see bone front and back.
Okay.